You are welcome. In Akash Hardware, you will find every item to give your house an attractive look. Here you will get the best quality tiles, granite, marble, sanitary ware, hydraulic modular kitchen, bathroom ware and much more. And the hardware of every brand is present here, whether it is Johnson, Century, Toyo or other big brand hardware. You are available here at fair price and rates. So come to Akash Hardware and give your house an attractive look. Bangladesh's Awami League leader Ishaq Ali Khan Panna was choked to death, according to the posthumous report. Affirming this on Thursday, a police source, citing the posthumous report, told the media house that the reason for death is asphyxia brought about by choking. The measurable report will actually want to give a superior picture on the reason for Panna's demise, the police source said. While the reason for Panna's passing has been laid out, questions stay regarding who could have been answerable for the crime. Did Bangladeshi political adversaries pursue him up to Meghalaya and kill him? Assuming this is the case, is it so easy to break Indian boundary security? Or on the other hand, is it a neighborhood act? There were no quick responses to these inquiries. Reports radiating from East Jantia slopes were problematic. Police sources in Shillong likewise couldn't reveal a lot of insight into the occurrence. BSF sources, however, claimed that Panna was strangled to death by either the villagers of Dona Chera in Bangladesh or the border guard Bangladesh, after which his body was dumped inside India. However, the recovery of the body from a betel nut plantation located in the Dona Bhoi area of East Jantia Hills, approximately 1.5 km inside the Indo-Bangladesh international border, raises more questions than what the BSF has answered. Informing this on Friday, Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home, Police, Pristone Tinsong, said, "We have informed the higher authority and also the High Commissioners of Bangladesh and India on the discovery of the body, and now we are waiting from the Home Ministry on what step is to be taken next." He also informed that the government has directed the conduct of forensic test to know exactly what has happened. Tinsong informed that Panna's family members have already identified the body and are on the way to the state. The Ministry of External Affairs and Ministry of Home Affairs are taking care of everything, and our responsibility as state government is only to hand over the dead body to the concerned family members once they reach Meghalaya, India, he said.
In fact, the dead body is right now with the district headquarters of East Jantia Hills, cleared, and we have taken up, we have informed the higher authority and also the High Commissioner of Bangladesh and the High Commissioner of India, both the countries, and now we are waiting from the Home Ministry what steps is to be taken next.
So this
well, I think it is too early to comment anything, because ultimately I think we have to go one more steps for verification, and that is forensic test. So that also will do it. So then only we will be able to tell exactly what's happening.
what about the relatives? They have arrived.
Sorry,
Relatives, they have identified the body.
yeah, they have already identified. I think they are on the way, because as I said to you, MEA and then Ministry of Home Affairs, they are taking care of everything this, and our responsibility from the state government is only to hand over the dead body to the concerned family members once they reach India, once they reach Meghalaya.